Happy Friday, everybody. This is Gallico from TopMac IT Solutions, and today is our second video about IT issues. And of course, this time we're going to continue our conversation from last week about Wi-Fi. Is there such thing as a good or bad Wi-Fi? So as I said last time, there is some criteria that can make a difference in your Wi-Fi, residential or commercials. So last time we talked about placement, antennas, and coverage. There is two terms that usually when you purchase or residential or commercial Wi-Fi system that you see a lot. It's called 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. They are very common terms that most people are not aware of them or don't know what they mean. So with further ado, here is my artistic skill showing up here. I'm going to try to explain, let's see, what is the difference between 2.4 and 5. So 2.4 is of course a lower number than 5, but that means in this case that the signal can reach further distance. Again, think about like a huge coverage here. You can cover more distance further into the house or commercial with a 2.4 gigahertz speed. Theoretically speaking, you can get up to 150 yards from 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. The other side for that, the con for that is that the speed will be lower because they have to travel a longer distance. This is where the 5 gigahertz come handy. It's a smaller spectrum, or it's a stronger signal, but it's a smaller spectrum of coverage. You get less distance, but because it's a stronger signal in a shorter distance, you can get higher speed. Sometimes that speed can be up to 5 times faster comparing to 2.4. So again, 2.4, longer distance, lower speed, 5 gigahertz, shorter distance, higher speed. You'll see these terms a lot with, again, residential and commercial, of course. It does make a difference as more and more devices today, in these days, can support the 5 gigahertz spectrum. And of course, the benefit, of course, you get a bigger throughput into your phone, computer, laptop, whatever you have, and you can get a faster speed, especially if you're doing games, video games, video recording. All this kind of stuff can help you enjoy your device better with a better reception and throughput of the internet. So that's going to be our talk for this week. Hope you enjoy our conversation. If you want to follow us on TopMac, just click on the link below here. And then if you want to see our first video from last week, click on the other side here, and we can help you with that. Again, this is Gallico from TopMac IT Solutions, and have a happy Friday, guys. Bye-bye.